I'm Adam Miller, also known as Old House Adam. I live in Concord, North Carolina, which is known for its old houses and historic charm. When developers and people tear down these beautiful historic homes, it literally drives a nail into my heart and it makes me furious. I think I've always loved old things. I live in a historic home, I drive a vintage truck, and my wife and I own an antique shop. For the last 10 years, my wife and I have fixed up tons of homes, but they've all been historic homes that we've lived in. It's something we love to do, and our dream is to take homes that are going to be demolished and restore them and put them back into this beautiful community that we love. I think my town needs us to renovate these homes because nobody is going to take these homes and put the love and the attention into them that we are going to. My wife is this amazing mother. She puts every inch of her soul into our kids. And she's the real brains behind the operation. I mean, she comes up with all the designs and these plans for these beautiful historic homes. And I'm the muscle. I connect the dots and I really make it happen. And when everything comes together perfect, it just feels really special. This is our current house. People refer to it as the Notebook House because it was my wife's childhood home and we bought it to restore it to its original glory. You got a giant pit in your house. My favorite feature in the house. And this is the house today. We wouldn't sell this house for all the money in the world. So I hope you guys are ready because we're gonna turn this mill house into a home again. It's over 100 years old and I'm gonna make sure that it lasts another 100 years. It may look scary, but it's gonna be the best before and after that you have ever seen.